Hello, my name is Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I have a new listing I'd like to show you. Now, this is a unique one. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,200 square feet, 2-story, one-owner home built in 1978. Very nice location, a nice colonial 2-story. We're selling it as is because it needs those cosmetic touches that a lot of people don't really want to do. So if has the vision and the wherewithal to do, this is one worth checking out. Let me show it to you. Now, the address, if you want to find it on GPS, is 4915 Lawndale Street Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44708. Very nice tucked away. It's right there near Hills and Dales there, so it's Jackson Township, North Plain Township Schools. Great front porch. Let me just show you a view out the front window. So I'm in the dining room. But you have a nice front porch here, a really lovely, lovely little view. A lot of wildlife. The lot's almost 212 feet deep. So when you come in the front door here, there's a side light. Of course, then you got the door. Another side light. Big front porch. So when you come in the front door, you can either go up the steps. Now, this is a wood look floor, but it's actually a laminate product. So when you come in to the right, you see here, you have a formal dining area. You can always turn it into an office. And if you look at it, it's basically neutral in decor, but it could use some carpeting. Same with the living room, big living room. So you can see here. Just done in neutral decor, no cracks. I mean, it looks good. Some older windows. These are Anderson windows. Okay, so this is the view. This is being sold as is because if you have the wherewithal and the vision, I'm telling you, this is a great house, great location. So you come into the foyer here. Let's go into the kitchen. Now, there was wallpaper on the walls, and that's why you can tell if you look carefully, they have some spots on them. See those? Because they did some skim coating where they were touching it up. So it's ready to be sanded and painted. You have laminate floors in here again. They look like wood. Now the top here is a Corian solid surface product. And you have an electric range and refrigerator. And these cabinets here are pretty much oak. So, a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll take the hardware off, and paint them and just dress them up. I mean, they're decent. The view out the back, let me just see if I can. There's a deck off to the right that could use some staining. Woods in the back. It goes back a bit. And you see a storage little area, storage barn. Let me see. So we're sitting here in a kitchen with a dinette besides the formal dining room. But if you were to buy this, can you imagine you could take out the railing, which separates the dining area from the great room, family room area with a brick fireplace with built-ins on each side. What you could do is you could do wonders. You could make flooring, that plank flooring, open this all up. This goes to a nice 2-car garage right here. So let's see what the view is right out this window. So you're looking through the screen, but you can see the deck could use some loving. Nice sized deck though. Wonderful fireplace, nice beam. Check that beam out. So with some paint and some HGTV ideas, this is a large space and it could be lovely. Okay, moving on. You do have a pantry right there. All right, and then as we go, there's a rec space in the basement. It's just kind of dated like everything else, a little darker carpeting. There's 2 rooms. Here's the half bath on the first floor. Laminate floor again. Okay, let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. All right. So you have some sculptured carpet, a little bit older. But like I said, some paint, carpeting, and light fixtures. Oh, this could be gorgeous. All right, so we're at the top of the steps. Nice little area here. Okay, here's peeking back down to the foyer and the front door. All right, let's look at the first bathroom here. You can look and see it's laminate countertops. You could paint that, put a new granite countertop in, paint the walls, put a nice little Kirkland mirror there. You could brighten this thing up real nice. And then you have extra storage, linen. Another linen closet up here. Okay, here's the smaller bedroom with a nice sized closet. And then let's see what the view is out the back. All right. You can see it's very private. So these are the 4 bedrooms up, okay? Here's another bedroom. You know, good sized bedroom here. Can you imagine how far paint would go? New carpeting, light fixtures. These have some nice sconces that could be replaced with something more modern. Sconces on the wall here. Here's another view out the back. Okay, you have a 3-foot shower here. Okay. Paint, countertops, flooring. See here, this is just a vinyl pocket door. All right, let's go back downstairs. So I wanted to thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you coming through my virtual walkthrough since you couldn't be with me. If you want to see this one personally, you can call me at 330-418-1535. Or if you'd like to send me an email, if you have a question, go to Dominic@DominicFonte.com. Or if you want to see this tour or other tours of other homes, you can go to www.DominicFonte.com. Appreciate you tuning in.